Hello, I'm back. So I hope everybody can see me. That was unexpected. I don't know what happened. Everything cut out. I guess there's just so many people. Where I live is in a very rural, mountainous area, and our internet is not that great. And with everybody home and using their devices, it's getting a little shaky. So I think you didn't miss too much. I had gotten as far as the ribbon on the box, and now what I'm going to do is create a little tag, a gift tag. So here's some Whisper White cardstock. I'm using the rich raspberry ink. All right, more technical difficulties. I hope everybody can see this. Let me just get my website up there in case we have more trouble. So if for some reason it cuts out again, you'll be able to find the remainder of part 2 on my website and right here on Facebook too. Okay, so I'm going to grab a block. I want to make this a birthday box, so I've got this really nice stamp set, Peaceful Moments, and I'm going to take this Happy Birthday. There we go. And I'm just going to stamp this, I think going this way. And then I'm using one of our new punches, one of our new label punches, and I think this is called Label Me Fancy. I'm just going to get that lined up in there, and I'm going to move it a little bit to the side, like so, because I also want to use this tiny hole here so I can thread the ribbon through there. Okay. So I'm going to take this point of the ribbon, push that through the hole, and now just tie my bow. Okay, now I just want to trim the tails a little bit, neaten those up. And there is a very cute little spring box. So before I go, I just want to show you something very quickly. Let me see if I can get this on here. There we go. Okay. If you go to the Stampin' Up website at stampinup.com, you'll see this big sign on here that says clearance rack. Just click on that, and you will see a lot of items that are currently very discounted, but also there's something called last chance products. And this is where you're going to find all the retiring items, and there are some incredible deals in here, up to 60% off on some of these items. And for instance, I want to point something out to you here. There are a couple of punches. So here is, let me see, we've got 3 punches, the 1/2 inch, the 1 inch, and the 1.5 punch are all, I mean, the 1.5 inch punch was originally $16. Now it's $6.40. I mean, holy cow. Now you can never go wrong with having these punches. So I would definitely check these things out while supplies last. They're going to go really fast. And so for instance, this 1 inch punch is one that I use all the time. And so let me just show you what you can do with that. Where is my 1 inch punch? Oh, here it is. It's hiding under the ribbon. So here's the 1 inch punch. And when you have a box that you want to make it a little bit easier to take the lid off, you can just, I'm going through 2 pieces of cardstock, so it's a little bit tough, but you can do it. It just gives you a really nice thumb hole. So I would consider this kind of an essential tool. So if you don't have a 1 inch punch already, I would really recommend you get one of these. And this one is priced at $13. Let's see, is that discounted? Well, they're still selling that one at $13, but still worth it, worth having it. So that's all for now, folks. I'm so sorry about the technical difficulty, but it's beyond my control. And I just want to remind you that this Monday at 12 noon, I'm going to be doing this really special painting. I'm going to give you a really quick sneak preview. So it's just going to be really fast, but okay. So please come back. Please like and subscribe. If you'd like to know what the classes are coming up in May, go to Dandelion Cottage Design, subscribe to Notes, and in Notes you will get all of the classes, the descriptions, how to register, and everything you need to know. And that is an email that's delivered right into your mailbox once a month on the 1st of the month. I won't spam you, I won't share your information with anybody, it's just to let you know about the classes. So please go there and subscribe, and you will be able to stay up to date on what's going on. So thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. Stay in, stay safe, stay creative, and I'll see you next time. All for now.